Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix Viber activation failed problem. So now to fix that is very simple. There's two ways of doing it. The first way of doing it is you need to do is just go to your settings right here. There. Once you're here at your settings, click on apps. After clicking on app, click on app management. Then search up your Viber. Once you search up your Viber, all you need to do is click on your Viber. Then, after that, click on, nope, click on right here. Storage usage, clear data, and also clear cache. There you go, as you can see. Back to 0. That's all you need to do. Let's see, there you go. All you need to do. Then go back to your Viber account. So once you're here in your Viber account, it's right there you go. Actually, this actually fixes the problem most of the time. But if not, if doesn't fix the problem, you can do is just delete your Viber account. I meant delete your Viber app. After deleting your Viber app, all then you need to do is there you go. I think this fixes the problem. Activation code still loading, but yeah. So second part is just delete the app full. There you go. The code has been sent right now. So yeah, second way is just delete your account fully. I mean your app fully. Just delete your app fully, and just download it again, reinstall it. So yeah, that's about it. And the third way of doing it, just just try to, if it doesn't work on those both, try to report to Viber. Just type in Google Viber, then help. Once you're there, just ask for help in Viber on what is happening there. So yeah, hope you guys like the video, you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And that's about it, guys. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.